second biggest fear in humans, after the fear of death, is the fear of speaking in public. And every time I have a decision to make, I envision the public. And I envision saying the wrong thing. Then I'm scared. Shitless.
What's inside the bag?
What's in it for you?
Nothing if you get it right. Work if you get it wrong.
I could use a little spiritual guidance.
You don't need guidance. You could use a coffin, though.
Not yet.
That's what they all say.
This bag is my salvation.
It is your hope. And it is your fear.
What are you chuckling at?
I know what's inside the bag now.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
What's in it then?
Duality.
What are you, Buddhist?
Just a working man with bills to pay. And this life, but not yours. Work. There will be work.
We sit here now, practically in silence, waiting for the show to start or for Ash to come. Waiting in silence for some inspiration, for a cue.
Why are you talking then?
Huh?
The word silence is a paradox. The moment you say it, you break it.
There, happy now? The show starts in 5 minutes. I hope Ash won't be late for it.
Thank you.
Ash is never late.
Ash is never late.
How did it go?
It went like a fucking breeze, how it went. I killed it. I messed it. They love me.
So proud.
Shut up. There's one problem. Again. As always. Do you nitwits want to know what the problem is?
Sure.
You should know by now. Everybody knows by now.
No one will want to work with us unless they work directly with you.
Damn bloody right. Me. Me. Do you want me? There's something about me. You know? Magnetism. Do you know what I'm saying? Everybody will want me again. Huh?
I should go clean the cat litter.
Yeah. stay in the hall anyway.
Gone out?
That cat goes out too much.
You can't control cats. They're just so concerned. That's why dogs are after them.
Bullshit. Everybody can be controlled. You just need to know how to do it. Eh?
Yeah.
Would you not agree?
I would.
Oh, you would, but...
It's what Michael said. He said you can't control cats unless you kill them.
Did you ever actually see a dog not a cat?
No. Actually, yes. Once.
Oh yeah. Where was it?
On the island. With Michael.
And when were you there with Michael?
3 or 4 years ago, before the race.
Oh yeah? Was I not there?
It was just Sam and Michael and the Swedish chap.
And where was I?
You weren't there.
Michael's alright. He's a bit, he's not. He's alright. He's alright. Michael's cool.
We're out of mustard.
Buxton!
I'm sorry, Ash. I forgot to buy it.
Buxton! Did I not tell you to fucking buy it? What is this? A museum of fucking retards! Buy fucking mustard, I said. You go out and not fucking buy it! How can you be so fucking stupid? Huh? I shit you not!
The show starts soon.
Michael said it.
here today to send off another soul who probably would have been better off had he never been born at all.
Amen.
It's a miracle we managed to find 4 coffin bearers. But let's face it, none of you are here out of piety for the deceased, but rather to pursue your personal agendas.
Amen.
Dirt to the dirt. Sugar to the honey. There is less and less money in dying anyway. I should reconsider my choices in life and in death. Under suspicion circumstances,
The police found no conclusive evidence.
And they decided to call it a draw. Death 1, life 1. The decision is postponed until the next match. And meanwhile, we can boogie.
We can foxtrot!
and we can waltz.
Because we can, and he can't.
Christ almighty, you're hot when you dance like that, Rupert. I say, Rupert, when I see you move like that, I just want to take you home, lock you up, and do wicked things to you all day long.
Someone spoke to me. Then who?
The desperate-looking bird did.
Can't you see? All I want is a little recognition. All I want is for someone to pretend, at least just pretend that I can be loved.
Well, I love you.
Yes, but I don't want that kind of love.
But you just said that love is all you wanted.
No, I didn't.
That's true, actually. She said she wanted someone to pretend to love her.
If she allows someone to love her, she'd have to give up the notion that she is unlovable.
And I couldn't possibly do that. My whole identity rests on it.
There you go. She can just go and find people who will not love her and prove herself right.
Lots of people who won't love you to choose from. There will always be people like that.
I hope so.
Yes. Lots of people to not love you around. Lots.
People like me.
Will you exploit me?
Run her off for me, please.
Thought I might find you here.
Every morning. Every bloody morning.
That's determination.
If you don't do it, your muscles turn to mush. They turn to mush like mashed potatoes.
Yep, yep.
Every morning. Every morning.
Something's going down.
Okay.
It's due with Ruprecht.
Every morning. Every bloody morning. In the last year, I could not miss more than 3 mornings. Once, because of the storm, and twice when I was ill. I don't get ill much. Almost never. Do you know why? Do you know what keeps me from getting ill?
What?
I keep my nose out of other people's business. That's why. You only have one life. You only have so many days, hours. You spend those on minding what others are doing. You're not focusing on yourself. You have to focus on yourself. Always. If you don't, you won't matter. You won't be admired. You'll never outgrow the shell of averageness you're born into. You never became the I am. Admired. Full woman. Full body. Really full. My fullness oozes out of me and makes others admire me. It's because I always focus on myself. I keep my nose out of other people's business.
I thought you might wanted to know, since it has to do with Ruprecht.
And that is why. Why does everybody think I still care? Why do you think I still care? Read my fucking lips! I no longer care. He is not any concern of mine anymore.
Should tell, really.
Oh, you'll tell me. You'll tell me because you came here to do that. That's why you tell me.
Random.
You know what? Serves him right. Serves the fucker right. For trusting the wrong people. Stupid fucker.
Do you want to?
No, Papa.
Cool. Cool. What you cooking?
Pasta.
Nice. What with?
It's plain. Plain pasta.
Nice. I'll leave you to it.
Random.
Do you think?
I think so. Yes.
Sam?
No. Not Sam. Not Sam, I should think. Random. I think Random should do it.
You sure?
No. But I think Random should do it.
Okay, Rick. I'll give it to Random then.
Or his bird.
His bird.
Yes.
Lulu.
Yes. That's right. Lulu.
Okay.
Do you see why?
I think I do. Yeah.
Okay then.
I don't think. Do you think it will work out?
Hi guys.
It's a random world. When random people say random things.
Hey, Random. Sit.
I thought you guys might be glad to see me.
Glad to see you? Is that what you really thought?
Listen, guys, there's ideas, there's energies, there's stuff to bring for Christ's sake. You have to get in on it.
I made pasta. It's plain. You want some plain pasta now that you're here?
No. I had fish before coming here.
Catholic.
Okay, random. Let's come to cry.
Don't you just love him? Don't you just fucking love him?
Oh, shut up!
Love what?
Situations like these, the adrenaline rushing.
Rush, rush, random lad, gently down the stream. Merrily, merrily, merrily rush. Life is but a dream.
Why did you do it, Random?
For all the reasons I tried to explain, and you refuse to understand. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes.
What, Randall? What did we not understand?
Except what you're capable of doing, you little sneaky snake!
All of it! You misunderstood! All of it! All of it! All of it! You missed the point! You missed the boat, and I fell into the gap, trying to jump on last minute, and I missed! And now I have to drown in murky waters, my mates! In murky waters of your sight!
I'd play the violin if only I knew how. And if I had one. If only I had one. I'd play the violin.
Well, let's do that then, eh? So start a band.
A band.
A band?
The four of us.
Yep.
Like the olden times.
Even better.
No.
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 I guess that's a no then.
all right?
Don't know what's wrong with it.
With what?
The microwave.
Oh. What's wrong with it then?
Don't know. It just stopped. This morning. While I was heating up the milk for my cereal.
Is there anything to eat?
Thanks.
So, do you want to do something tonight?
Like what?
You know, we could do something.
Not tonight. Busy.
Cool. Meeting any of the boys. Meeting with the boys.
Nothing to do with you, has it?
Will Rupert be there?
What?
Will Rupert be there?
Yeah. Yeah, he will.
Does he ever ask how I am? Does he ever say, how's Lulu random? Is she doing all right? Remember me to Lulu, mate. Does he ever say that?
No. He never fucking says it. I doubt he even knows your name. In fact, I'm sure he doesn't know your name. He doesn't care about you. Why would he?
I can't fix the damn microwave. Don't know what's wrong with it. Do you mind taking a quick look?
Are you busy?
Did you bring it?
Yeah. In the bag.
Cool. Can I see it?
What do you need to see it for?
Am I not allowed to see it?
It's not that you're not allowed to see it, you know. The question is, why do you need to see it, you know?
Listen. Okay, listen. It's not like I need to see it. It's not like that per se.
Per se. Fancy talk. College education.
My tights are wet. Okay, I'm not in the mood.
Per se.
Are you gonna give me the bag or what?
Gotta see.
For later. You know that I love you, right?
Don't.
Just saying. You can't stop me from saying.
You're an idiot. He'll kill you.
Here's the bag. But this bag will fucking kill you. Or him.
No, it won't.
Just you wait. Just you wait and see. Thanks for the secret.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
I have to.
It's madness.
I have to.
She's ready for you now.
What do you want? Work.
It's for. It's for.
I have other plans.
Are you sure?
Yes, go.
Yes. Go.
They say that the biggest fear is the fear of death. But I don't think that. I think it's actually the fear of life. The fear of wasting your life. Being a crappy actor on the stage of life. A loser. An extra whom nobody will notice or remember. Of facing the final curtain without an applause. And it makes me wonder, how different would all of this be? How different would I be? My choices and actions. If I didn't know that at all times you're watching. They're watching.
I'm watching you.
Someone is watching. Someone is expecting me not to fail. And it is this pressure, sure enough, that makes me